Hello everyone, it's Ezekiel with Shoe Sliding. Today I'm going to be unboxing a new pair from Allen Edmonds. However, this is not your typical classic men's shoe or boot. This package from Allen Edmonds, as you can see here, is a fairly large package. This is a new boot that I just received from Allen Edmonds. And this is presented very nicely here in the matte black box with the embossed black Allen Edmonds logo and a little bit of gold hints here on the side of the box. Now this particular boot is called the Silver Lake. And again, this is a more casual type of boot. This is a boot that I purchased because I really like the look of it. And as I've mentioned here several times before, I'm a big fan of Allen Edmonds. It's a great American brand. I know it's been bought out recently a couple different times. It's changed hands, but I still believe in the quality of the Allen Edmonds brand, especially for the price point. And when it comes to well-made premium shoes, Allen Edmonds is an entry-level brand, but it's a great brand if you're just starting to appreciate or just starting to collect classic shoes, well-made shoes, recraftable shoes. If you're looking for a pair of shoe or boots that are going to last you a long time, look good, and won't break the bank, Allen Edmonds is somewhere that you might want to start. Now, let's get to the goods here. So as we can see here, this Silver Lake boot comes with some very nice blue paper. It has the black Allen Edmonds logo on the paper, and we do have just the one shoe bag. So we have this gray bag, very nice flannel gray bag, and inside we have the boot. Now this is a mock toe boot. And when I saw this boot, I thought that is a very unique looking boot. It's a work style boot. It's rugged. It has a very chunky sole. And again, this is a little different from what we usually do here at Shoe Slide. At Shoe Slide, we love and appreciate classic menswear, classic shoes, classic footwear in general. However, this is something that I'm definitely going to wear with some denim. I'm going to wear when it's snowing, when it's cold out. If I'm out doing some work in the lawn, I'll definitely be wearing these. Now, as you can see here, these are a dark brown suede with the mock toe. I really like that color. The sole here is a white sole, and it's very rugged. It has some big lugs here to help with the traction. I did read online some mixed reviews on the look of the white sole, but honestly, I like it. I really do think that it gives it a nice pop. It's not so boring as if it was a brown or a black sole. I like the white, and these are recraftable. So if I do get tired of the white, I can get them recrafted in a different color. Maybe even leather if I wanted to in the future. Now, as you can see here, it has a storm welt or reverse welt, and that gives it a little extra pop, a little more detail to draw your eye toward because it is a rugged style boot. And again, it's meant for casual wear, definitely with denim. I don't wear denim too often. I think I only have a couple pair of denim pants, but when I wear them and it's cold out, wet, snowy, I'm definitely going to be wearing these boots. Now, I think I am going to spray them down with some waterproofer, just so that they don't get soaked through if I'm wearing them out in the rain or if I'm trudging through some snow or some slush. Again, you can see some details here on the tongue. Has a little bit of tumbled leather with the Allen Edmonds print. And let me know what you think about these boots. I know that they're very different from what we normally do here at Shoe Slide, but I thought these would be a great addition to my collection. I do really like the red, white, and blue tab here. That's a nod to Allen Edmonds' American heritage. Allen Edmonds is an American brand made in Wisconsin. Again, let me know what you guys think of these boots, if this is something that you would wear, and I'll keep you updated on how they perform.